Right now, we're seeing a unique moment in the finance sentiment landscape. With a sentiment score holding steady at plus 0.00 and a momentum of plus 0.32, this suggests a potential inflection point. What's particularly interesting is the presence of 19 semantic clusters, indicating diverse yet interconnected themes emerging in the conversations. Our API captures and returns this data, allowing you to delve deep into market sentiment and momentum shifts. Imagine using this insight to adjust your trading algorithms or refine your investment strategies based on real-time sentiment changes. For those eager to explore further, check out the documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Dive into the data and discover what these shifts mean for your projects.